Hey guys, Jason here. Welcome back to another episode of Carveco Hacks. Carveco Hacks is a short video series that teaches you tips and tricks on the Carveco software. In today's hack, we're going to go over vector layers. Vector layers are an easy way to organize your vector, and you can do that with the colors. All we're going to do is select the vectors that we want to use, and we're going to put that on a different layer. We're going to select this frame, right click it. We're going to go right up here to move vectors to a new layer. Now you can title this new layer over here on the right hand side. You should call this one frame. And up here in our vector drop down, we now have a new layer called frame. Now notice that this highlighted area is the layer that we're now working on. We can turn off the default layer, and if we click back on our default layer, now our frame is hidden. Next, we're just going to break up the rest of this project into a couple of more layers. First, going to take all of my text, and we're going to put that on a layer. Call that layer text. Next, I'm going to do the inside of these clouds. Right click, move vectors to new layer. Do the outer part of these clouds. We're going to move the inside of the bird. We're going to call this one bird in. The outside of the bird, trees. I could put this other plant in with the trees. All I need to do is select the plants, right click, and when I move the vectors, instead of new layer, I can easily add that to any of the layers that I had previously added. I'm just going to click on the trees, and now that's in the tree layer. Last, we have the log. Do the inside of the log. This back here in the background, this also could have gone to trees. Just going to right click this and move this to trees as well. Then we have our water at the end. And we can toggle those on and off with our light bulbs over here. Now I put all of these in on a different layer, and we could make these all a different color. So now if I want to separate each one of these, I can give them a color by simply clicking on the little round circle and changing the color for that vector. Now our default vector is black. I'm on the frame, and we're going to leave that one black. Let's go to our text. Make our text red. We could do a custom color. All we have to do is click on the color that we want to give it, and then hit add custom color, and that will be the color that we give it. Turn the log brown, trees green. After playing around with some of the colors, if I switch back over to the 2D view, you can see how all of my vectors are now color coordinated by layers. We can easily turn any of these off or on if we want to work on just one part of our vectors. Hope this helps. Thanks guys. Make it happen, and I'll see you on the next hack.